Meaning of free form.
Free form.
Free form.
Free form.
Free form. Free form refers to a style of artistic expression that lacks strict rules or predetermined structure. It allows for creative freedom and spontaneity in the creation process, often resulting in unique and unconventional pieces. Free form can be applied to various forms of art, such as painting, sculpture, music, and dance. The lack of constraints allows the artist to experiment with different techniques and materials, encouraging originality and individuality. Overall, freeform celebrates the beauty of unstructured creativity and empowers artists to break free from conventional norms.